This mother yelled at her son because he was coughing badly and didn't know how to take his medicine. But when someone knocked on the door, she quickly ushered her son inside and told him to stay quiet in his room. Then she smiled and welcomed her husband, who came back from work. The boy was still struggling to open the medicine and needed her help, but she didn't even care. When they heard his coughing getting worse, she ignored it. After 2 days, the mom was crying because her husband left her. She thought she was lonely, but when her son came with a warm drink and a blanket, she felt awful for ignoring him that night. Later, when Mark arrives, Sarah explains the situation, a genuine smile on her face as they both check on Leo. The coughs still linger, but there's a warmth in the house that no performance can replicate. This path showcases the power of empathy and communication. Sarah prioritizes Leo's well-being, strengthening their bond. She's honest with Mark, fostering trust within the family unit. Follow me and comment cough to find out what happened next in part 2.